Okay, this is part one of 3 videos in which we're going to cover the jog wheel section of the master unit. And so this video we're going to talk about the modifier keys. We have Control, Shift, and Alt, and then we have a zoom and a quick zoom button. There's also an increase, decrease button. These simply just increase your frame by 1 up or down. And then there's a select button, scrub, shuttle, and scroll. And so we'll quickly show you what some of these things do. So first of all, the jog wheel does exactly what you would think it would do. It moves your cursor left or right. And if you use the modifier keys in conjunction with the jog wheel, it will do different things. And so if we hold Control down, it speeds up the jog wheel. And if we hold the Shift down, it will slow down the jog wheel and for more fine-tuned cursor movement. And then Alt will just select your tracks for you vertically. That's the same as if you were to reach up and select your tracks on your fader unit. Also, we have zoom. It will toggle on or off, or you can hold it down and then release it. And so if zoom is lit up and you move the jog wheel, you can zoom in or out very quickly. But also if we use the modifier keys along with zoom, such as Alt and zoom, you'll notice I can zoom in or out vertically on all tracks. Likewise, I can hold Control and Alt with zoom lit up, and it will vertically zoom whatever tracks are selected. And finally, Shift and Alt with zoom lit up will zoom in or out your waveforms. And so you can see how quick it is to make those adjustments. We also have a quick zoom button, which will just zoom in or out quickly back and forth. Now also we have this select button that will just allow you to manually select whichever track your cursor is over when that's lit up. We have a scrub and a shuttle. And then finally the scroll button. Scroll will allow you, when it's lit up, to scroll through your project. If you hold Scroll and Alt, you can scroll up or down as well. And so again, just a demonstration of how quickly you can move around your project using the jog wheel and these modifier keys. Now part 2, we will cover the edit buttons using the jog wheel as well. And so we'll move on to that video. Thanks for watching. Again, if you have any suggestions or ideas for us that you'd like us to cover, please email me, brad@pulsesound.com. Thank you for watching.